Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So my today's video is about Albek and Dammam. So now we are on the way to the Albek store, which has been recently opened to everyone in the Dammam region of Saudi Arabia. Albek is one of the major fast food restaurant chain in Saudi Arabia, which is very famous for its roast chicken and fillets. They provide a number of sauces along with that. So it is said that if you live in Saudi Arabia, you have to have tasted the food of Albek, and it is really yummy. And since the stores were not available in Al Khobar and Dammam, the public over here had to travel to Riyadh or Jeddah to get the taste of Albek chicken. Now the public over here is so excited and going mad because of the stores being opened here in Dammam and Khobar. So the one which we are going to is the new branch of Albek, which has been recently opened, and it's on the Dammam Cornish, which is a very good spot for the Albek. And so yes, now we are about to reach the Albek in few minutes. So cross your fingers for the Albek in Saudi Arabia, Dammam. And you can see here we have reached the Albek, Dammam. This is the new branch which is recently opened. So you can see there is not much of rush over here, and it is a very pleasant branch as it is on the Cornish. You can see the play area. By the time my husband got us the food, my daughter was playing over here. And here we have our Albek. And now just open it. Here is it. Yummy, tasty and delicious. So the famous fillets, we had ordered for fillets, fish fillets and chicken fillets, and you can enjoy the food with a beautiful view of sea. So the benefit of this branch of Albek is that you can take the food and you can just sit in the park and enjoy the hot meal in front of the sea view. And there's also a play area behind Albek store, so the kids can also be entertained over there. And after the food you can enjoy this beautiful view of the Cornish and spend your time. Albek stores normally have so much of rush that it literally takes 1 hour or more than that to get your food. So in such situation, there are lots of things to keep your kids entertained around during that time on this Cornish. So I really liked this branch of Albek and also the food. It was really yummy. You can see how pleasant the view you get, and it's really soothing. So if you wish to, so we enjoyed our food and also the beautiful nature, and we had a really good time. And since the winters are starting soon, so by 5 p.m. it was already dark, and so now we are about to leave for our home. It's really cold these days, so by 5:30 the sun was fully gone and we left for our home. Hope you guys liked this video. If you really liked it, please do subscribe, like and share, and do comment on my videos. Allah Hafiz.